Are you currently having problems with logging in into your GO2bank account? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into Google and then search for GO2bank. And then you're going to select this first result right here, or you're going to select, of course, the official GO2bank website. And now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And on this page, what you're going to do, you're going to click on login in here, as you can see. And now you should be taken to their login page right here, as you can see. And if you're currently not able to log in into your GO2bank account, what you're going to do then is to click where it says trouble logging in. So just click right here. So if you either have forgotten your email address right now or you have forgotten your password, you will need to choose either of those ones right here. So for example, let's say that you have forgotten your password. So click right here, and then you will need to enter your email address and then also confirm that you're not a robot, as you can see. So enter your correct email address that is connected to your GO2bank account. What will happen then is that you will need to, of course, also click on continue, but you will get an email from GO2bank to your official email address that is connected to your GO2bank account, where you will be able to reset your password for your GO2bank account, basically. So after that, you will need to actually go into your email address, click on the link that GO2bank sent you, then you will be able to reset your password, and then you can go back and log in once again, basically. So that is exactly how to fix this issue.